This is Turkey's largest warship. Built in the Turkish Sedef shipyard with technology transfer from a Spanish consortium, the Anadolu can carry light aircraft and military drones. Right here behind me, you see the TB3 Bayraktar. This is the latest version of Turkey's premier unmanned combat aerial vehicle. Now, the ship is also known as a drone carrier. It'll be able to carry dozens of these drones, including the latest edition, the Muse Kizil Elma, also known as the Red Apple. This is a jet-powered drone. Its engines were built jointly by Turkey and a Ukrainian company. And right behind it is the Seahawk. That will provide the Anadolu anti-submarine capability, anti-naval warfare, surface warfare capability, as well as search and rescue. Turkey's quickly expanding and combat-proven drone capabilities are expected to boost its Navy's ability to quickly project power in difficult environments. The drones will enable the Anadolu to detect and counter threats well beyond the horizon.
TCG Anadolu is the world's first drone warship. Bayraktar TB3, Kizil Elma and Hurjet will be able to land and take off on this ship. Thanks to the tanks and armoured amphibious vehicles it carries, this ship has features that allow us to carry out military and humanitarian operations in every corner of the world when necessary.
Hundreds of locals lined up at Istanbul's harbor for the chance to get a glimpse of the ship. There is undoubtedly a sense of national pride here.
This is a 70% Turkish-made ship. We are getting stronger in this area. I'm so proud. It's such a great thing. Now, thanks to this ship, the world has seen Turkey's power in this arena.
And with all the firepower that the Anadolu carries on board, it will no doubt prove to be a formidable force on the high seas. Ube Shibander, TRT World, Istanbul.